Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with OpenSearch using signed requests step by step clearly. To authenticate with OpenSearch using signed requests, start by setting up your environment. Make sure you have access to an OpenSearch cluster. Obtain your AWS access key and secret access key. Install the necessary libraries for AWS Signature version 4. If you are using Python, install Boto 3 and requests libraries. Begin by importing the required modules in your script. Create a function to generate the signed request. Inside this function, define the HTTP method you will use, such as GET or POST. Specify the endpoint URL of your OpenSearch cluster. Set the service name to ES, as OpenSearch is classified under this service. Include any headers you need for the request. Construct the canonical request by combining the HTTP method, URI, headers, and payload. Next, create a string to sign, which includes the date, region, and service information. Use your secret access key to sign this string. Generate the authorization header using the signed string and the access key. Make the actual request to the OpenSearch cluster, including the authorization header. If your request is successful, you should receive a valid response from OpenSearch. Handle any potential errors, such as unauthorized access or incorrect credentials. Log the response data to confirm that the authentication was successful. Finally, review and test your implementation to ensure it works as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.